cousin. Hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Greetings. You are now listening to my inner thoughts. You will notice in the upcoming video that I'm speaking rather quietly. Well, that's because it's very early in the morning and I'm the only one awake. And I'm trying not to disturb my beautiful family. And it's your same man. Okay, bye.
Hi guys. I hope you guys are doing well today. I'm bringing you some color, because I know a lot of you guys like to, you like to turn up with the reds around this season. So I'm bringing you some Jerry curly hair today. Red. And I'm ready to see it. Bam! This hair is brought to you by Sunber. And that's their package sauce. And oh, that's it. It just says sunber on there. That's it. That's all. They said, listen, what else you need to see on the box? Ma'am, it's a box. Ooh, this color is popping. Hold on. Let's see these gifts because they be putting gifts in here. The lace melting elastic. Y'all, I love these things and I have so many of them. The stretch elastic when you need to melt those edges. You know. Some good old Ignite lashes right there. We got a little makeup. Little makeup brush. Ooh, it's soft. What's this? A little blush? That might be a blush brush. This might be a blush brush. Is it? Maybe it is. And a wig cap. This one. Oh, this is for bald cap method. It's real good and transparent, it looks like. I don't do bald method, chat. My nerves be bad. But I think that's what this is for. This is probably a good bald cap method one. If I did, that'll be, look. Yes. Yes. Oh, they sent me 2 more too. Still the same. Yeah. They must want me to do the bald method, but okay, so let me tell you about this wig. I have 20 inches, I think. And this is a red Jerry curly wig. As far as the price goes, this wig is definitely more feasible, more affordable than some of the other wigs that I review on my channel. So it just depends on your budget. But if you're looking for something that is human hair of a good quality, but it's a little lower in cost, you might want to look into Sunber. Oh my, this red, oh. This is like violet. This is almost purple. I don't even know if the camera is going to do it any justice. But this is like red purple. And I'm here for it. Y'all don't even realize how here I am for this color. Y'all. I could tell it's pre-plucked a little bit. Now, for those of you who are really sticklers about the pre-plucking and you want it to be a certain inch, a certain distance bike from that hairline, then you can go in and continue to pluck. But baby, I like this. You're not going to be able to tell me otherwise. I'm excited to try this color. It feels really good, you guys. It's nice, soft. Again, it's human hair. Certain things at this point, I've said that before, but it's the truth. You should really expect, like, back in the day, we were really excited when it was like soft and not shedding and not tangling. It was like, yes, that was the point to make in the videos. Boo, bam, your wig over there tangling. This isn't. That's it. That's all. That's how we was coming at it. Like, boom. But now it's supposed to be like that. You know how people be like, oh, you read so well. Ma'am. At some, don't do that. That's like, as far as soft and tangle free, I don't say it all the time because duh, you supposed to be. If you doing wigs and they are ignorant on top of ignorant like that, baby, you are far behind in the wig game. So I don't even think wig vendors are coming at it like that anymore. I could be wrong, but even with synthetic wigs are coming stronger. So yeah, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Y'all, this color is flipping awesome. And y'all, this hairline isn't bad for this price. Come on, man. They look at that. That's not bad at all. But these curls are popping. I feel like this is about to be cute, y'all. I really, really feel like this is about to be cute. Sunber, yes. Come on with this. I like that. I do. Ooh, yeah. This is going, ooh, look at it against my skin. Look. Look at it against my skin. And usually with wigs like this that are bright and vibrant, well, I shouldn't say bright because it's not like super bright, but vibrant. Typically, I like for them to be the ombre effect. I like for the roots to be dark. It just blends better to me. These are not. This is all the way. The color is rising to the top, okay? And it's giving all it's got. And it won't never ever stop. So yeah, we're going to see how this turns out. That means the baby hair, if you decide to use the wigs, baby hair, all that's going to be this color. So sometimes that looks great. Sometimes it does not. So we are going to have to see what thus saith the Lord for this one, okay? Let's get to work, y'all. Let's get to work. Big shout out to Sunber. Make sure you look in the description box for the information, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy my content, join the family and join the fun. You know you want to. You know you want to in 2022. Come on. You've been tiptoeing around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But if you're more comfortable being a friend of the family, that's cool too. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. There are things that you can do too. And if you're a cousin, hit that thumbs up too. Let's get to styling. Hold on a minute. Don't you go nowhere.
you.